Hey guys, it's ps3 here bringing you a new video today. And today I'll be telling you how to clean a ps3 disc. This basically goes for every disc that you have, but yeah. So it works with every disc. It's a very cool way to clean your it really gets in like your disc, and like I guess it just cleans it. So first, what you want, some water. Now, tell me if I did a good job on this video, Alright, so what you will need is water so far. All you have to do is just start pouring it, or pour it on your disc. Alright, see, it's just really soaking in there. Alright, now, what you need... What you need is a hammer. You just gotta start smacking that thing. Smack it, smack it, smack it. Oh my god. Smack it, smack it. Until it really gets in there. See? Yeah. Alright, then you want to smack it again. Smack it. Look, it's NW2. And smack it, smack it, smack it, smack it. Alright, now what you want to do, just pour some more water on it. And then you want to go to the other pieces that you broke, and you just want to put some water on it. Okay. And you want to go to that one over there, put some water on it. Go to this piece right here, put some water on it. And then, alright, some water. Alright. Then, what you want to do is smack it. Smack it, oh, smack it, smack it, smack it. And you want to do a really big one. You just want to smack it really hard. Then it'll break everything. You want to do it with this one. Then you want to do it with... and break. And then you want to pour the rest of your water all over it, and then you want to find the pieces of the you want to put all the pieces, and you want to puzzle it all back together, okay. Alright, you just want to put it back the way it should go, okay. And you want to put everything back. Like all, don't really necessarily have to puzzle it, but it'd be smart to do it this way. Yeah, and then there's some of the pieces just landed somewhere. Oh, there's one. Alright, do not skip this video. There will be one more step you have to do. Alright, so what you're gonna have to do, grab your hammer again. I want you to smack it one more time. Smack, 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 really hard. Alright, now what you want to do, grab all your pieces, make sure you don't get make sure it doesn't poke you in any sort of way. Just grab everything, grab every part of the disc. You don't have to get every, the little pieces of it that you can't pick up barely. No, that's all you need. And you need the rated part, you need that M little part of what it's rated for. I want you to grab it right here. I want you to throw it all the way over there. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Goodbye, like, and subscribe. I'm out.